The scan confirms a severe hull breach. Look at the decay around the main rotor hub. We have to move fast before it's completely unstable. Keep tension on the forward lines. Affirmative. Adjusting. Lifting slowly. Check stability.
Bring it down, slowly. Check those cables. Just a little lower, we've got it here. All right, steady, prepare for touchdown.
Keep searching. He can't be far. Copy that. We're getting a signal.
There it is again. It's definitely a helicopter. I'm not sure. The signal is weak and erratic. Can you stabilize it?
The scan confirms a severe hull breach. Look at the decay around the main rotor hub. We have to move fast before it's completely unstable. Coordinates locked. Prepare for deployment.
Understood. Conditions are worsening. Proceed with caution.
We're ready.
All right, check the ice saws. Looks good. Secure those cables, then move out. Copy that.
The records confirm it was a Chinook. Check the flight path. Does it match? Analyze the damage report. Keep it rotating. The hull breach appears to be in the engine nacelle.
The storm is worsening. We have to move now.
Check the coordinates one last time.
Batteries are ready. Let's go.
I've located the signal here, approximately 80 kilometers north. Confirmed. Let's mobilize immediately. Prep the sleds, double-check the equipment. The sonar data confirms it. This is our target. We move at dawn.
Make sure the thermals are secured.
Confirming power packs are charged.
Check the ice drill's coupling, please.
Keep moving. We're almost there.
Watch your step, visibility's low.
Keep an eye on those cables. All right, pulling the slack now. Checking the controls. Temperature's dropping. Keep it steady. Watch your hands on the frost. Slowly. 1, 2, 3, lift. Secure that coil. Mind the tension. Almost there. Careful. All right, team, let's get the thermal imager ready. Roger that. Set up the perimeter lights. I think this is the spot. Prepare the drill. Hold! Do you see something?
I'm picking up something unusual down there.
Analyze the depth.
It's showing a void.
There it is, right on the grid. Amazing. Coordinates confirm. Let's move in. All right, this is the last one. The perimeter is set. Stop here. Now, lower the load slowly. Steady, steady, steady. Watch the footing. Okay, here, hold it here. Yeah, now, just a little more. Got it, it's locked.
The depth is increasing rapidly. Look at these measurements. Almost 2 meters. We're breaking through. Unbelievable. We found it.
Keep it steady. Watch the pressure. Looks good, boss. Almost through. Keep the tension steady. We're almost there. Watch the balance. Push it through now. Hold the lift there. Easy. Easy does it. Do you see anything? Just the reflection. Keep the lights on him. All right, bring it closer. Careful with the edge. Watch the ice. Perfect. Lower it in.
The signal's getting weaker.
How deep is it now?
It's still descending. Keep tracking it.
The drone is in position. Confirmed visual on the first structure. Engaging thrusters for closer inspection. Roger that. Sweep the sector with the lights.
Keep the sonar engaged. Got it. Sweeping the starboard side now. Any signs of the black box? Not yet. Heavy coral buildup here.
Anything yet?
Picking up a faint signal from the hull.
Roger that. Keep pushing in.
Helmet sealed. Checking my oxygen. Looks good. You ready? Ready. Take it slow. We're right behind you. Line check complete. Oxygen flow is steady. Helmet sealed. Pressure nominal. All right, team. Remember the protocol. Double check all systems. Let's do this.
You are clear to descend. Stay aware of the lines.
Understood. Descending.
Do you see any movement inside? Negative. Just marine life and corrosion. Keep searching. Check the tail. Copy that.
Cable is secure on the fuselage. Copy that. Proceeding with the lift. Status green topside. Cable 1 secure.
Roger.
Cable 2 secure. Ready to lift.
Engaging lifters. Keep a close watch on the tension. Tension's holding. Steady.
Keep tension on the forward lines.
Affirmative. Adjusting.
Lifting slowly. Check stability.
Status update.
Cables are holding steady. Rising slowly. Monitor scans for any anomalies.
Keep it steady. Guide it to the center. Just a little higher. Tension is good. Watch the cables. Keep it steady. Guide it to the platform.
Slowly, slowly.
Watch the cables. Don't let it swing. Bring it down slowly. Check those cables. Just a little lower. We've got it here. All right, steady. Prepare for touchdown.
Landing gear touching down now.
Copy. Secured.
Status green. Cables are slack. Teams move to stabilize.
Keep rushing there, Mark. We're almost through the ice layer. Watch the cable tension.
Transport secure.
Commencing lift preparation.
Attach the forward harnesses.
Ready on the left.
Taking tension. Stand back.
Keep it steady. Tighten those lines. Rigger 6 reports secure. Copy that. Engage hydraulics slowly. Stand clear. Convoy moving in 5.
Got it.
Keep it coming. Slowly now.
Clear. You're clear ahead.
Watch the rotor. Easy does it.
Keep it steady. Watch the cables. All right, lowering the chains. Clear the area below.
The thermal scans are inconsistent. We need to check the structural integrity of the rotors.
Status of the ice penetration test?
The rust and coral need to be removed thoroughly here.
Understood. Focusing the pressure. Let's get the scrapers working on that tail section.
All right, focus here on the fuselage. We'll start degreasing this section. Copy that. Surface prep is priority. Ensure the sealant is ready for the rotors. All right, slowly. Watch the alignment. Hold it steady on the right. Lifting now. Clear on the left.
Almost there. You can see the original coating. Fascinating. It's in incredible condition.
All right, easy on the descent. Just a little more to the left. Watch the clearance. Slow and steady. Looks good. Keep it coming.
The calibration is off by 2 degrees.
I see it. Let me adjust the sensor.
Good, that should stabilize the rotor assembly.
Keep it steady. Guide it slowly. That's good. Lower just a little. All right, secure it. Diagnostics are clear on the forward array. Check the rear bay power circuits.
Readings are stable. Proceed with the system test.
Keep it steady. Looking good. Aligning now. Tightening the bolts. Check the readings on the tablet.
Keep the distance steady. We need an even coat. Copy that. Moving to the tail section now. All systems nominal. Ready for launch. Confirming final systems. Checklists complete. Systems check initiated. Copy. Engaging avionics. Power transfer complete. Ready for engine start.